Hello, good evening all. Now let us see a program in Python which is going to print the addition of two numbers. For this, let's make use of three variables. Say for example A, B and C. These are the three variables. Let me instantiate a value for A and B, and I will print the addition of this A and B in the third variable, which is C. Now let us see how to start a program. To start the program, I will click on File, New, Python file. I'll give the file name as add and say OK. So I got the add.py editor here. Now let's type the program. I'll declare the variable A and I'll allocate a value for the A as 10. I'll declare another variable. I'll give the value as 20. And I will print the addition of these two variables in the C variable. Now let's print the result. I'll say print. I'll give a statement. The addition of two numbers is say comma concatenation C. Now let's save this file and then we'll execute this file. To execute this file, I'll go to the run menu, click run. So file is add. I'll click on this add. Let's see what the answer is. So the addition of two numbers is 30. This program is very simple. Hope you are able to understand this program. Thank you so much.